Introducing the MasterCool by MasterCool. When the heat is at its peak, evaporative coolers can only take you so far. MasterCool technology goes beyond, lowering temperatures by an additional 4 to 8 degrees. The result? Comfort that's powerful and energy efficient. But don't just take our word for it.
My upstairs was usually warmer than any part of my home, even with the cooler on high. My upstairs started to show improvement on the first night. The temperature was reduced by at least 10 degrees at times. This has changed and improved our lives for the better.
MasterCool starts with evaporative cooling, nature's most efficient way to lower temperatures. When outside conditions limit what evaporative cooling can achieve, that is when MasterCool steps in. MasterCool uses a chiller system that consists of a microcontroller and weather sensors to make precise changes, creating the perfect recipe for efficient and effective cooling. This chiller system lowers the temperature of the water being circulated, removing even more heat from the air. The result? Cooler air output than a standard evaporative cooler could achieve on its own. A winning combination that saves you money and eliminates the need for AC. That's the science behind MasterCool. Now let's hear what it feels like in real life.
I'm a stay-at-home mom. I can feel a huge difference with the MasterCool. Around the summertime, I usually wind up having to turn it off because I get too cold during the day.
We offer 2 models to fit different needs, one designed for internal use with rigid media, and another engineered for external placement with Aspen media units. Both use the same chiller system technology, so you get flexibility without sacrificing performance. MasterCool comes from MasterCool, a brand trusted by homeowners and businesses for decades. When you choose MasterCool, you're backed by proven reliability and innovation. MasterCool is made in the USA at our Texas factory. MasterCool reduces energy use, delivers dependable performance with advanced chiller technology, and offers versatile installation options. Engineered to deliver comfort when you need it most, while using less energy, costing less to operate, and being more environmentally friendly. Customers are noticing the difference right away. The MasterCool is the best invention. We noticed a difference in temperature within hours of it being installed. Our partnership with UTEP Volleyball shows how reliable cooling makes a difference when performance matters most. Let's take a look at the commercial.
It's crazy how cool it is in here.
Right? Last time we were here, we were sweating like we were at the gym.
Well, I upgraded my cool.
Wait, you did what now?
I upgraded my cool. I got the MasterCool by MasterCool. It's an evaporative cooler chiller system and helps drop the temperature by up to 8 degrees.
Okay, but isn't this one of those old school swamp coolers?
Not anymore. I stepped up my game.
That's cool.
Is it time to step up your game?
For support or questions, please call 1-800-826-2665.